Hello, I am Jeannine Vegh, and I will be your workshop host for this course entitled Survivors of Narcissists. I am a licensed psychotherapist in the Columbus, Ohio area. I have been working with survivors of trauma for over 2 decades. I finally began to put together this workshop so that I could reach out to people around the world and be able to offer support to them. Not all therapists specialize or even have intimate knowledge of the narcissist and their behaviors. I have both professional and personal experience. The workshop I am offering you will talk to you about what a narcissist is. You may have dealt with a parent or a partner. In many situations, we deal with both the parent and the partner. This is not unusual. If this is all you know, it is easy to unconsciously attract that same person who was just like your parent. We go out into the world and see that handsome person and fall deeply in love with them. Along the way, they are giving us hints that they are a narcissist. However, in our unconscious minds, we are thinking, I can handle that. This is because we have experience from managing our narcissistic parent. We don't consciously think this, although some people might. There is a level of comfort in experiential chaos. For example, you may have grown up with an alcoholic, and what a coincidence. You are in a relationship with an alcoholic. You were drawn to this because you were used to this, and your unconscious was saying, I've got this. So this workshop is for people who have fallen into this trauma bond with a narcissist. It is for people who grew up with a narcissist. It is for people who have been involved with both. And you don't have to have left the person, but it certainly makes your life a lot easier. Some of you are still with the narcissist, and this is for a variety of reasons. This workshop will help to strengthen you so that you can feel more confident that you are ready. After you have left the narcissist, it might be a good idea to review the videos I am showing here when your head is in a much healthier space. What I am saying will sound a lot differently to a person once they have left the narcissist. You will hear it from a brand new perspective. The videos will be discussing boundaries, triggers, and we are going to look at the covert versus overt narcissists. There is a guided meditation, and afterward, you will write down what came up for you in this meditation. The final piece is the homework assignments. And in this video, I will go over all the handouts so that you can be clear what the questions mean. If there is something about this workshop that you aren't sure about or you have questions about, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and ask. People who have been with or are living with a narcissist, they don't get to ask questions without hearing some sort of twisting and turning so that you become confused or worry you didn't say it right or might be judged. Asking me a question is your first step to healing and realizing that you do have a voice, that your voice is worthy of being listened to. It is important to me that you do understand what I'm trying to teach here. I want you to be a stronger person as a result of taking this workshop. I want you to be better equipped at handling people in your future. And if there is anything about the topic of narcissists that you would have liked to have learned more about, please let me know. It will help me to know if there is something I missed or a direction I might have gone in. So thank you for joining me here on Udemy. I appreciate that you have chosen to take this workshop and to have a much healthier life.